presenting the 2006 Ford Mustang. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, split folding rear seat, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, and anti-theft device. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.